they all like count the number of drops on each side?
We are incorporating. What we intend to do is we are not going to physically count the blocks on the pendulum itself. We'll give you a leeway. We'll give you a tolerance. So plus minus maybe 1 degree, 2 degrees from center, right? We'll consider it as horizontal. Any other questions? Alright, for the tournament structure itself. Right, for the qualification matches, right, you'll be playing 5 matches per team. And then there's only 1 division and you'll be playing on 2 playing fields. Okay, for the actual day itself, right, there'll be 4 fields set up. 2 will be actual playing fields for the actual tournament itself, then the other 2 will be for trial. So you all still can test and run your robot as the tournament is going on. So, but there'll be only 2 actual play fields for the tournament itself. And every team will play 5 matches and the teams are randomly assigned. The alliances are randomly assigned to each team. You all have no control, you all have no say. The software provided by FTC first will dictate who are your partners. So it's a luck of the draw thing. Right, once you complete your qualification, right, all the teams will be ranked. Then you'll be seeded into the semi-finals if you're the top 4 teams. Then at this point, right, you get to choose your alliance partners. So this is the interesting part of the game. You can look for a partner that best complements you, and then you'll have to strike up some kind of arrangement or deal to participate in the semi-finals. So in the semi-finals, right, you get to play 3 games. And out of the 3 games are best of 3. I mean, if you win 2 matches, you proceed on to the finals. And likewise for finals, you win 3 games, you proceed on to play in the championships. And you have the option of forfeiting or not playing in any matches, but you must at least attempt 1 match. That's the requirement from us. Right, so the top 4 teams will be seeded into the semi-finals. You choose your alliance partners, and it's a knockout structure. Alright, okay, besides the awards for the winning alliances, right, there are other awards that you are giving out for FTC Singapore 2013. So these are the awards that are available to you all. So for these awards, right, I shall not go into the details. All these, how are you going to score or be eligible for the awards, all can be found within the challenge manual. So just please read through and understand. And yeah, that's all. So we have all these awards for FTC 2013. Right, for the brief, right, I don't think I can cover every single aspect. So I do hope that you all can go back, go to first website and download the manual part 1 and part 2. Right, and hopefully it should address all your queries. If you still have any nagging queries, you can contact us. We'll try our best to answer all your queries, any questions that you have. I'll pass you all the contact details later on. Okay, some of the workshops that we are planning to help you all out. If you're interested, we have PTC training for 3D CAD and conceptual modeling. This will be conducted by PTC, our partners overseas. It will be a remote workshop which will be held next Saturday from 8 to 12 p.m. So if you all are interested, please let us know. Then we'll slot you in for the training itself. Then we'll have a Tetrix robot building training, which will be conducted by Duck Learning. The date has yet to be confirmed. We'll pass you all the information, the details subsequently, probably by email or via the FTC website. Then National Instruments will be having a LabVIEW training session. Okay, likewise, date TBC to be confirmed, also conducted by Duck Learning. Alright, maybe just before I end my presentation, my challenge announcement, and before we go to have a look at the play fields, right? during the course of testing the playfield and building the actual robot, the trial robot, we noticed some things. So we thought it would be nice for us to share with you some just basically some robot tips fairly specific to this challenge, this FTC 2013. Alright, if you all get a chance to play with the playfield later or in days to come, right, you'll notice that your stock kit wheels, right, might have an issue with traction. So you all have to be a bit more creative on that. You all can play with, you all can modify wheels, change a bit, or you all can play with how you're going to drive or gear your traction system. Then another thing to know, right, because of this year's center element, the ramp and the pendulum, it's not a totally flat course. So normally, right, previously, I mean, it will make the most logical sense to build a robot with a centralized CG. So but for this year around, right, if you need to negotiate up the ramp, right, you all might need to shift your CG a bit, because if you go up the ramp, because of the material that the ramp is being made of, right, traction is one big issue. And then how you weigh your robot towards which side will affect how your robot is able to climb up the ramp. That is something that is quite critical. Right, plan your design according to how best to optimize the game and score during qualifying. And remember that when you do get to the semi-finals, you can choose your partner, and your partner can make up for all your robot's shortcomings. So I don't know how you all can strategize. Maybe, yeah. Right. Other things, I mean, it's a contact sport. So cable management, make sure all your cables are properly tucked in, nothing comes loose, things are tightened properly. Then when you connect to the FCS system with the router and cemented module, right, just make sure that there's nothing that will disrupt or interfere with the Wi-Fi function of your with the FCS system, so that you can get a clean connection. Alright, before I go to see the playfields, if you all need to come down and use our playfields, right, please do contact Geraldine or Augustine at these numbers. Email us and book the playfield from us. Right? So please take note. And of course, if you have any queries pertaining to FTC in general, be it how the game is going to be played or whatnot, just let us know, just contact us here. Alright, I guess you all are quite restless now, so we'll